Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. And recently, I have visited the stunning, the Western Pune Koregaon Park, and honestly, the experience was just as luxurious as you would expect. From the moment I walked in, the ambience felt premium and calming, perfect for a relaxed dining experience. I tried a variety of dishes, and the presentation was absolutely top notch. Each plate looked like a piece of art. Taste wise, the food was rich, well balanced, and definitely lived up to the brand name. Though it was though it was buffet dinner because we went for a corporate dinner party with all the colleagues. And yeah, the experience was absolutely amazing. Basically, if you want luxury dining in Pune, try a food at the Western Pune Koregaon Park. Ambience 10 on 10. Taste rich and premium. Price little bit costly. Of course, this five-star hotel, so you expect a bit more as compared to the other hotel. Also, you know what, guys? I tried sushi for the very first time, and it was like, oh my god, I didn't like a taste at all. I can't try this for the second time because I literally don't like it. Maybe because I'm not a sushi fan or not a Korean food fan. That Guys, आणि जेव्हा मी सुशी फर्स्ट टाईम ट्राय केली तेव्हा तिथे चॉपस्टिक्स नव्हतं आणि मी त्या हाताने खाल्लं आणि मी विचार केला त्या हाताने खाल्लं तर ठीक लागेल ना बिकॉज मी जे व्हिडिओ बघते तिथे नेहमी सुशी चॉपस्टिकने खातात राईट सो पहिला घास घेतला आणि मी विचार केला म्हटलं अरे हे तर भात काकडी थोडा ॲटिट्यूड आहे दॅट्स वाय दिस सुशी राईट टू द मेन कोर्स ठीकठाक थोडं थोडं खाल्लं बिकॉज यू नो वॉट जेव्हा स्टार्टर्स असतं आपलं पोट स्टार्टरनेस सगळं भरून जातं ऑलमोस्ट सो मेन कोर्स खायची एवढी काही इच्छा होत नाही नॉर्मली आपण हॉटेलमध्ये पण तेच खातो सो बट गाईज यू नो वॉट जेव्हा डेझर्ट काउंटरवर गेले ओ माय गॉड so many varieties and the food was absolutely amazing. The taste was very good, you know. मी तेच ट्राय केलं जे मी आधी नव्हतं खाल्लेलं ओके म्हणजे काही काही गोष्टी त्यातल्या खाल्ल्या होत्या बट यू कॅन सी इट देर आर सो मेनी व्हरायटीज अँड इट वॉज टू गुड